So I'm going to be moving to Europe in a few weeks, and I have little to no idea on what I'm getting myself into. I recently received a generous scholarship from the European Union to study my master's with the help of the Erasmus Mundus program. And so during the course of my studies, I'll be moving across 4 different countries in 4 different universities. Now this begs the question, what am I going to bring? That is what we're gonna find out in this video, so keep watching. Coming from an Asian country, the Philippines to be exact, where it's really hot, it's a tropical country, and it's very humid, I'm going to be living the exact opposite of what the Philippines is when I go to Europe. So as a self-proclaimed over-planner, I felt like the only logical thing to do at this point in my life is to plan ahead and make a big list of everything that I'm going to bring. I hope this video helps anyone who's going through the same dilemma as me, who's maybe gonna travel to Europe or other places, other countries in the world, and doesn't know what they're going to pack. This is kind of like a figure out stuff with me as I try to pack for my 2-year trip. So enough talking and let's get to packing. So this is the current packing situation. We're going to start off with 2 suitcases. One is a really big one. One is a medium-sized one, like a 22-inch that I usually bring for my travels. I plan on splitting my clothes into these 2 suitcases just because in case, if and only if, in an occasion that the airlines loses one of my suitcases, I will still have some clothes. So let's start off with the clothes that I'm going to bring. I highly recommend that you get these packing cubes to help you organize the clothes that you're going to bring into categories. This also helped me limit the number of clothes that I'm going to bring so that I don't overpack per category. Starting off with my favorite category, which are sweaters and hoodies. So I'm going to Eastern Europe for Erasmus, and a friend from UK mentioned that it is one of the coldest places in Europe. So we gotta come prepared for the cold weather. Also, I have a broken nail. And here are the other stuff that we will be bringing. I'm not bringing too much because I plan on buying there as well with my friends when we go to thrift shops. I then put them into separate plastic bags to save space. Moving on to my tops. I'm going to show you a few of them. I have about 15 to 20 tops, but that's okay because they're light and don't take up too much space. Next up, pants. For bottoms, I brought each a pair of slacks, sweatpants, long skirts, and 1 baggy jeans. Oh, and pajamas. Now I am also bringing some gym clothes because you know how important going to the gym is for me. So I'm bringing 3 shorts and 1 leggings. I also have my sports bras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, or 6. Next up, we have our t-shirts. Probably going to wear them when I'm at home. I mean home in Europe. It says road trip and travel local Philippines. Okay, not all of them are oversized because I have this for working out. This one as well is a favorite of mine. It has stones at the back. And these are the t-shirts that I'm going to bring. One says sinigang. That's my favorite Filipino food. I am not sure if I need shorts or if I am going to be using them. I got some just in case. I could surely use some shorts. Last but not the least, dresses. Hopefully I don't get hypothermia. So I am bringing maybe 3, I don't know yet. But I still have some room left. On to the next. We have the bags that I'm going to bring. I'll be bringing this for running. My favorite shoulder bag. I got a matchy teddy with one of my best friends. I'm also bringing my favorite tote and drawstring bag. I just finished working and I look stressed out because I got stressed out with work. So I'm going to eat first before I start packing again. Here's what my room currently looks like. not the best, but what do you expect? I'm packing for a really big trip. On to the next. We have heels, flats. I got these from Singapore. Gonna bring my Jordans, but I'm going to wear it already on my flight. I only really brought the shoes that I feel comfortable wearing to save space. I'm planning to buy some winter boots. I don't know, regular boots, I don't know yet. I'm going to leave like a room for that. And of course, we cannot forget undergarments. Just wiping it. I'm only gonna bring a small towel for taking a shower, but I plan on buying something bigger there. Now, this is the bed sheet that I was going to bring. It's so small, so it's not even gonna matter. And then here are the pillowcases. I'm gonna bring my favorite mug and just a few stuff from home as well. My favorite. Here's everything packed. I decided that I will also bring my favorite blanket. To me, that's fine because I'm gonna be moving a lot anyway. And I still have to carry everything with me, even if I buy them in Europe. For electronics, I have my cables. I also have a universal adapter. I'm gonna bring my extension as well, but I'm not gonna pack it yet as I am still using it. I got this organizer. It contains like my cables, my mic, and my audio interface for recording. For my carry-on, I will bring my duffel bag and my backpack. These are my toiletries and everything that I need for my face and my body. So these are all the makeups that I have. And then on the other side would be my toiletries and my skincare, my facial wash. I have this handy travel bottles. So I just put in my shampoo, my conditioner, my body wash and stuff. I highly recommend that you get this. There we go. So I'm going to be bringing 2 perfumes. This one from Bosch and this one from Zara. Now we put this inside this. And I'm also going to put some clothes in here just for if I want to change my clothes when I'm on the plane. Extra clothes that I'm going to put here will be some from that big luggage, so I'm not gonna bring like an extra. Few more items that I need to bring. So this is the backpack that I am going to be bringing. The reason why I picked this backpack is because it has a lot of zippers. I can really take whatever I want and just shove it inside my backpack. Now I am going to bring 2 sunglasses. My reading glasses. Reading and working glasses. In my backpack, I have my journal, my sunglasses, my favorite perfume, my cameras, my wallet, and some other stuff that I will be needing for easy reach. My laptop is still there in front of me, but I'm also gonna put it in here. My keyboard, I don't want to put it inside my luggage because who knows what will happen, but that is basically it. I also have my passport here, of course. Can't forget that. I also have this. I just got like a folder for my documents for like administrative purposes. I don't think it's gonna fit, but if it does, I'm gonna put it in here. If it doesn't, I'm gonna put it in my duffel bag. The good news is it fits. So, oh, by the way, I also have this is an herbal kind of oil medicine that you can usually find in Asian countries. You get the idea. Every Pinoy has this. If you don't have this, you're not Pinoy. I think we're done packing. I hope I didn't forget anything, but in case, I'm not going to close my luggage just yet. But the only thing to do is to try and see if the luggage is actually going to close. I don't know if it's going to close, but whatever. Ooh. I hope and pray. Yay. The only thing left to do is to sit on it so that it will flatten itself. with our weight. At the moment I'm sitting on my luggage. I don't know if that's a good idea, but people make mistakes. Actually, I forgot to pack something, but this is only a minor thing. It's only my bikini, so I'm just going to put it inside my medium luggage with the penguin on it.
Finally, I weighed my suitcases just to see if they will fit within my luggage capacity.
And that is it for the video. I hope you learned something from my experience in packing. And wherever you're going, take care. I'm proud of you. And I'm happy that you get to see the world just like what I am gonna do in a few weeks. I'm sending you love and see you again soon.